Hi, it's Brittany from the Emporium and
Thea.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the 2025 Spring Pusheen subscription box and cat kit. So here is a look at the box. We've got the toe beans as always and the tail. And this is the 15-year anniversary box. So that's what the regular box looks like. And then
is that the cat
here's
box?
The cat kit. And it looks like the cutouts on this box are stars. I know they're hard to see. Do you want to do the cat kit first?
Today I want to do the human kit.
The human kit first?
Because I love the human kits. Because it usually has like plants, things.
We've been getting a stuffy. I think this year they said you'd get a stuffy in each one.
Yes.
You always get a vinyl.
Yep.
Which is the little vinyl figures.
Yep.
All right.
Oh, spoiler.
Yeah, don't, hang on. So here's the card. Oh, and you always get like a clothing thing.
Mom, look at the
Oh my gosh,
vinyl
it's
figure.
so cute.
Mom, you pick first.
Oh, because you made me pick this
Yep.
one? Here's the vinyl.
It's
I do
adorable.
always open these because I display them.
Ooh, I'm going to open up this one next.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love these videos whenever we do these. They're so much fun.
Yeah. I'm glad that the cat kit came before we left on our trip.
Me too. I'm so
So
glad.
I've had this one for like a week or so.
Yeah,
It
probably.
is adorable.
Look how cute that is.
The little ticket says 15th. Oh,
Do you
tail.
guys, look how cute that is.
Super cute.
Don't tell me that that's not cute.
Okay,
Tell me that's
what's
cute.
your item?
So, what I got is this.
What is it? Is it an insulated
It's a bag.
tote? Hang on. Quilted tote bag.
This is a quilted tote bag. There is a little keychain.
Oh, that's
Can
cute.
you show it up to them?
Yeah. So here is the keychain. And it has a little pocket and a magnetic
There's
snap.
a little pocket, and then there's this that you can close it.
Magnetic snap.
And Mommy's going to pick it next.
Okay.
How about I just start calling you Brittany? in
No,
these
you can
videos?
call me Mom.
Yeah, but Mommy is better.
All right. We have a zip
Mom, is it
up
okay if I do this?
hoodie.
I love it.
Okay, just leave your mic alone. And here is the back.
Oh.
And the front has an embroidered patch. This is cute. It's purple, but it's cute.
Mom, for your next time, go for this one.
Oh, yeah.
I think this one's like my size, Mama.
It's cute.
Mom, this is the first time that hat's like kind of my
Oh, yeah?
size.
Is that what you're picking?
Yep. No, I'm going to pick.
Okay.
Okay, so what I'm picking is this little cutie. So it's Pusheen holding a cute balloon and make it real more realistic. There's a little string. Our cats will love chewing on that.
They better not. This is not a cat toy.
I know.
This is so cute. Oh
That's going to be another one to our collection.
Yeah, for my shelf. So cute. This is actually really cute.
I'm just staring at those little crochet cats.
Okay.
Too
So you wanted me to pick this one?
Yes.
It is an ID badge holder. That is cute.
Wait, Mommy. Can we put that on our little ID?
No, not for this weekend. All right, what are you picking?
Okay, so what we got in this one, this pick is a hat.
It's cute. I think I could adjust it down for you.
Yeah, just it.
Maybe.
They cannot see me. Perfect.
That good? It's cute.
So right here's a little this.
So it's
Sure.
embroidered. Super cute.
I haven't seen it that well.
All right,
Oh.
one last item is crew socks.
I know you're
And they
probably gonna
have
like that.
Little
like it?
embroidered Pusheen with a balloon. This is really cute stuff.
I want to look at the
Okay.
card. Where's the card?
The card is right here. So we
That's
got
what we was
the
supposed to
vinyl.
look like. Wait, we forgot to show them what's on that.
Oh, did we? It's
Yeah,
on
we
your,
did it.
Where'd you put it?
So,
we got the vinyl, the
we
ID.
forgot to show you guys something on this bag.
Oh,
I just noticed when we were looking at the card.
Embroidered too. It is nice that all of these things are embroidered.
But don't forget, guys, there's still one more that we get to open.
All right, the vinyl, the ID badge, the zip up hoodie. This is really cute.
The bag, and the socks, and everything else.
The stuffy, the socks, the hat, and the bag. Super cute. All right, so that is the people box. It's a really good box.
Okay, this time I'm going to take one out first for the cat.
Oh, okay. All right, cat kit.
Here's, you see, here's the front. Sadly, no toe beans or a tail.
Okay, we showed them the box.
Oh, we did. Start opening. The spoiler.
Okay, so this card doesn't really have art. Just always says cat kit.
You guys are gonna love this time.
Oh,
Should we see
I want to do that one.
Let's see if this one for last.
I want to do that one.
Okay,
Pick
yeah.
one, Boo. It's
Cat tunnel.
play tunnel.
Ah!
Oh, it's a cube. Is it?
We have two cubes
We
now.
got a cube a couple years ago, and they really
And
do like
one
it.
of our cats, Mr. Peter.
Okay, you don't have to tell them that. Anyways, we got a new cat cube. This one's cute.
I can show my body in it.
No. All
But
right.
I love showing my body inside
Ma'am.
of these. Aw.
Not right now.
Mommy, your turn.
Okay. I really want to show this
No,
one.
do it
I want to show
last.
that.
Let's do it last. I know you
Okay.
want to show them, but still.
So these
can do it
are crinkle ball toys. with
Oh, they're
feathers.
gonna love those.
Okay, all done.
Oh, my
George is
goodness.
gonna love these, but he eats the feathers pretty quick.
Mama,
He'll be
I'm gonna
happy.
do this one.
Okay.
Do this one. I see like a little container. No.
That's cute. That would be cute on Luna. We gotta show them.
Lily will love it. So what we got is a color.
Oh, it has a charm too.
Yeah, it does.
Let
Personally,
me see. It's kind of
Can I show
backwards.
them it? I want to show them.
Hang on, I'm trying to figure out.
You can take it off with pliers and
Oh
put
wait,
it back
I
on.
do it like. Yeah, I think it just needs flipped. It is. I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry. It has a little cute bow and then a Pusheen charm, and it has little stars on it. My turn?
Yes.
Okay, this one.
Yep.
I'm glad you told me
Then I'm
what
going
to
to
do.
get this one.
Teaser wand cat toy. This looks interesting.
Oh, that's interesting. All right. Very interesting.
Okay.
Oh.
I haven't seen one like
Wait,
this before.
ASMR. ASMR. Meow.
No, stop. You're being too crazy.
Meow.
Thea, you're being too crazy.
Meow, meow.
Oh, it has a rattle up here. Do they move?
Hold on,
Yep.
ASMR.
All done. Okay. I was just joking when I did it. Okay. What is that?
I told you we'll get to do this one. Before I show them it, I'm just gonna open this.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
Making a bunch of noise. That's unnecessary.
Okay.
What is it?
I think that's.
It is pet accessory hanging kit. So it
That's
has
where we can put Donut springs.
his springs.
Then he can try to take them off. And his. Oh, this is perfect for our house.
That's cute. So it
We
has
needed that.
little spots.
Mom?
So look.
I told you we'll get to take this one out.
So if we
Then I can also go for that one. Sweet.
I don't know.
Oh.
It's interesting.
Mama, I told
Alright.
you we'll get to do
I'm
this one.
excited for this last one.
Oh, she's gonna like it.
I'm gonna like it or the cats are gonna like it?
Leo's gonna love it.
Leo's gonna like it?
Because he's been doing the other one so well.
It's an interactive treat game. We bought the cats one with, does it have ladybugs or just leaves?
Ladybugs and leaves.
Does it?
Both.
Okay, so we got them a ladybug and leaf interactive like treat toy for Christmas, and Leo
solved them all.
Yeah, he figures it out. It's so cute. Okay, so we'll have to like read directions for how this works and
We're
stuff.
gonna have to go.
But I think they slide too. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So that's kind of a hard slide.
I'm gonna try. Leo's not gonna be able to do this.
Well, maybe you don't. We're almost done. I don't know. We'll read. Oh, maybe there are instructions. We'll have to figure it out on our own or something. But that's fun. I'm excited. I found some 3D print files to make some treat toys for the kids too. All right. All right. Well, hope you enjoyed Thea and I unboxing the spring
By the
Pusheen
way,
box.
this is my real tallness.
Oh, yes. She said she did not have her stool, but she wanted to share her real height. So, here it is. All right. You want to tell them to have a good day?
Have a good day.
Bye.
A happy spring.
You're silly.